So I wanted to get the 10 real quick. So I'm like, how do I get the 10? How do I do this? And he sat me down and he said, hey, you want to know how you get the 10? You start with one. Because I did all this before I had my first property, and I was really scared to do it. Right? So he's like, if you're so scared to start with one, how are you ever going to get the 10? He said, so you get the 10 by this, you start with one. And then maybe a couple years later, depending on, I didn't have a lot of income at the time. I wasn't really doing much. A couple years later, maybe you get number 2. And then once you get 2, it gets a little bit easier to get number 3, right? Because you've got some equity and whatnot and blah, 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 blah. One at a time. And I took that lesson from my mentor and put it into my trading business, right? Because there was a point in time where I thought I would just have one magic strategy and that's it. It would work forever. But I learned very quickly in trading that it's really about diversification. I need to be talented. I need to be skilled in different aspects of the market to take advantage of different situations. So when I was trying to figure out my business plan for trading, I was bouncing all over the place between, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this, I want to do that. So I reminded myself of what my mentor told me. He said, hey, start with one.